G'day guys, I'm out here in Epping, Victoria at OCAM 4x4 Accessories. Today we'll be giving these towing mirrors a test run. And I'm excited by this because I need a set for my own vehicle and I'd love to see what we can do with these. Today's testing vehicles, we have a Land Cruiser 200 series with a TM2 and we have a Ford Ranger with a TM3. The best way to test the TM2 and TM3 towing mirrors is to jump on a real life test. Come along for a ride. As soon as I jump in the car, I can already tell the difference. We've got the nice wide mirror, nice and tall. What I can see here is amazing. There's no way a factory fitted mirror gives this sort of exposure. I can't wait to actually go and test this out on the road.
I've been on the road for a couple of minutes already and I'm feeling very comfortable. The amount of vision these mirrors offer is ridiculous. I can see all the wheels, I can see the axles, I can see where I've got a punctured tyre, I can see the cars clearly. Hitched up at the back of this Cruiser, I've got a 20-foot twin axle Caravan and these mirrors are giving me plenty of visibility. That's probably got to do with the fact that they are 200mm wide of viewing. That's roughly about 25mm greater than any competitor on the market. The top and the bottom are actually different mirrors. The bottoms are convex, allowing us to see more of the road without having to actually search for it by leaning over, making it much more comfortable just to sit back and just have a good vision over and the whole driving experience. Reversing the 20-foot Caravan was a breeze with the convex mirror down the bottom of our TM2 mirrors. For this exercise, I need to pull over to let the oncoming traffic pass, and it was easy.
So we've done our product testing on the TM2 and now we're going to move on to the TM3. In the next test, I'm really keen to see whether or not the height makes a difference. They both have the same width mirror, but does the height make a difference? Let's go and check this out.
In my experience, a larger mirror offers larger viewing. These OCAM TM3s really offer a massive viewing window. The first thing I'm going to do when I get back home is throw out my add-on extended mirrors. These OCAM 4x4 mirrors are incredible. Going past road trains, they're not shaking around, there's no risk of them falling off.
I must admit, I'm very impressed. OCAM 4x4's motto was to make products that are affordable for your everyday 4x4 enthusiast. And they have achieved that with these towing mirrors. Not all my trips do I require an extended towing mirror. I'm out there forward driving, like you guys, camping, I mix and match. But what I really love about this is I can just walk up and just extend my mirrors, get the vision. No mucking around with clip-ons and add-ons and ones that vibrate and fall off. Extend it for towing. When we're just forward driving, close it in, off we go. If we pull up somewhere where it's a bit tight, we can always close it. It's really as simple as that, guys. I would like to point out that these are a DIY kit. They're an OE replacement, so they don't look out of shape. They fit the vehicle perfectly. The TM2 and TM3 that we've been testing today both come in black or chrome. It doesn't matter what vehicle. It's up to you guys what you want. If your vehicle came out with the indicators in the mirrors, OCAM got that covered for you as well. Half the price of most competitors on the market, a top quality product backed by a 12-month warranty. It's a no-brainer for me. I know what I'm fitting to my vehicle. The most popular of the two is the TM2 and OCAM are releasing a power fold version soon and I look forward to testing that one out.